Stadium for Champs 2018. Today's Friday, the day before the finals. So you know me, I am not here to watch, I'm actually here to work. So today I go and enjoy the little races before I actually shoot again because I have to work by my schedule. We said my next shoot is in the next hour and a half. So. Alright, so people will shoot the first set of scenes now.
Yeah, you don't know night, you know. You hear that?
You hear that way it looks so? Come out of the filter, brother.
You can't take note. You hear that? Yo, night, you know that. You hear that? Always. Four corner. Brawling. Yo, that is the out here.
So, you might get him wet up under that thing down there.
Watch your eyes, watch your eyes.
When the eye.
That's a flavor. She said it, honey. You can't say something?
I can say stuff.
Oh.
Hi, how are you? Oh, it's a vlog. Hi, I'm Tiana.
I'm Adanji.
Wow.
I know I'm like the rest of you.
I forgot your name. Wow.
Alright, so people, this is where we're going to shoot right now. Camera and bags slider here. Yeah, Marina show because I have a lot of bags on me. But we are here. So we come. Alright. Morning people. Yes, I know my vlogs has been slowing down again. I need to start get better at this, but the reason why it slowed down the other day is that we go through some good stuff, personal stuff, so I had to take a break and sort out that. Also, most reason why my vlogs don't really contain what I really do is that when I'm on set, I'm here, there, lifting up camera, going there, talking to the artists, everybody, so I don't really get time to do this. And most of the time when I give someone the phone to actually do it, it's either they always get distracted and start taking pictures of other stuff, videoing other stuff, and so most of what I needed is never been caught. Most of the time when it do get caught is when I have that book on set or Leon and set. Otherwise I'm that I never get stuff properly from my vlogs. But I am still here in Royalton, people, so I'm see if I can get some B-rolls for you. I never get to really vlog yesterday because as I reach and get the room, we start shoot, and as I said, no help. So I see. Alright people, so we're still here doing the shoot. Everybody there, we'll shoot in that room, and then we'll have this beautiful pool.
You are kind of a little bit better than my room.
Yeah.
Only thing about my room kind of better than this because of the eye.
So you get a better view.
Oh shit, when I arrive it, bro?
Tonight.
Now it's a day shot and you a day shot. Can probably do it tomorrow morning.
Yeah, can do it tomorrow morning.
So nice.
I need to take a water dip today, so much I done.
Yeah man, we're today. Tomorrow still to me. Based on the plan, we just go all out today and then tomorrow. I'm going to shoot all tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, that people, so I'm not going to enjoy today, so tomorrow, so I get shooting sooner or later.
Don't stop. She said the letter that I play apart. She said the lyrics from the band that I play apart. She said the note from the hand that I play apart. That I play apart. Tell her that I ain't playing with you.
Anywhere me go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah. top class, and me full of top sauce. Me cologne it a kick me no green like grass. And when me walk past, girl off the drop trust, and I meet them girl I end us. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. In my tees, I'm a jeans so saucy. Every kick from my beat so saucy. Call me king in the streets, come saucy. Oh, me so clean, so saucy. In my tee, I'm a jeans so saucy. Every kick from my beat so saucy. Call me king in the street, come saucy. So hold me a sauce on a tin can. I may have a couple girl when me drip on. Girl I follow me up on the Instagram. She and her friend a chat me a go live long.
Alright people, so we're leaving Royalton right now. Jamar is still in the room. I don't know what he's still doing in there. Oh, there he is. Eventually. Wish you could, but we all know how that story goes. Right, now people, it's been a good 3 days. Well, it was all work, but can't complain. 3 days up, man. People, I'm trying to get this. Yeah, I'm very patient. Yeah, now it's on the 3rd floor. Hope no one is in there. Just now, people, we are right there. So link in the back and reach down there, lobby. There now.
Feel like it's a music video idea that you heard it here first. Copyright, right? That's what. Don't
By
try
who?
it. We don't try it at home. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think Drake are one of them brother that kind of beat to that.
Not like how we are going to be.
Oh. And people can't lift my hand too high because the bag get heavy. And
You don't know the things already. Went to the gym this morning, got some reps in. You know.
yeah,
Even though we're on
a
vacation.
lot of reps.
Even though we're on vacation, we have to put in the work, you know.
Oh, you're on vacation, I'm at work.
Yeah,
Yes, people, he is on a small
Speaking
little.
of which, I need a glass of Chardonnay to keep me.
If we find him. So where is everybody? Alright people, I'm gonna call London right now because we're not seeing him. We'll be right back. Oh, sorry, we found him. He was at the car. Why is he driving off? Alright people, we'll catch up with him so far.